Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing my hair routine, which is actually very boring. It's really straightforward, but a lot of you have been asking me to do this, so here it is. Okay, so this is what my hair is basically like naturally. It's usually a little bit straighter, but because I've had it up in a bun, the ends have gone a little bit flicky. But all I basically do is I just wash my hair normally, shampoo, conditioner, nothing fancy. It's literally just like a basic shampoo and conditioner. And then sometimes if my hair is a little bit like frizzy, like when I come out of the shower while it's still a little bit damp, I just take 2 pumps of this, which is just a L'Oreal. It's a L'Oreal professional spray, which basically just stops your hair from like going so frizzy. If you have any flyaways, it kind of just sorts those out before you dry it. And then what I would do is I usually let my hair dry by itself for like a solid 20 minutes before I get the hairdryer on, because don't know why, I'm not a hairdresser, but I tend to find my hair just feels a lot softer and a lot smoother if I let it dry naturally for a bit first. Then all I do is I've got this like Babyliss curler. It's actually my mum's, she got it a couple of years ago, but it is the Babyliss Pro Stylist. It's just this little contraption. It's literally, this has saved me, oh my gosh, so much. I've had this for like years now. I use it pretty much every day. I know it's really bad for your hair, but I just love what it does to it, so I can't help it. So it's got all these settings on the side. I can't actually remember what they do because I got rid of the instructions ages ago. But all I know is I push the two bottom buttons up twice, so they like click twice, and then the top one up once. And that kind of gives me the curl that I like seeing on my hair. My camera's gonna run out of charge. So if any of this changes, my camera's died on me, but I'm gonna try do something as quickly as possible. So basically what I do is I just grab little sections. Like, you can basically just do them as big or as small as you like. I usually take a section kind of like this sort of size. You face it the like more chunky side towards your face. Put it in. I usually go like closer to the bottom than the top. I like it to be like a bottom curl. It sucks it up. Wait for the 3 beeps. It might not be hot enough, so this might not come out properly, but we will see. And then it curls it. It's literally, this is such a wonder tool. And I just kind of do that all the way through. This usually takes me like, I don't know, 15 minutes maybe. So it's really quick and really easy. Like if I just know that I can do my hair in 15 minutes. It's just so handy. It just sucks it up and then boom, curly. And then what I do is I like kind of chuck these bits behind and just carry on all the way around my head. So what I will do is if the camera dies, I will just cut to showing you guys what it looks like at the end. And if the camera doesn't die, then this will be a time lapse. So it basically just depends what my camera decides to do. Fingers crossed, this could be a nice little time lapse for you guys. So if it is, let's go. I also apologise for the lighting because it is a really horrible day outside. So I've literally just got my ring light on. So if this is a little bit bright and exposed, or if it's really dark, I'm not really sure, then apologies. Then I just do the same again on the other side. But yeah, you can see it's kind of like a casual curl, like it's not too intense. I kind of start higher up here and go like further down. I don't know why, I've always done it. People usually ask me, they're like, oh, why is the top of your hair straight? But you know, I just think it looks quite cute. Like, it doesn't look, if I curl my hair like from all the way at the top, I feel like it just goes out too much, it ends up too puffy. Whereas this, it's like something's going on, but it's not too intense. So it's quite nice for day to day or even going out. Like I wear my hair out like this all the time. Last piece. And my camera hasn't died, touch wood. But we're on the last piece, my camera hasn't died. So fingers crossed, it will just survive. So that is my hair all done. Like how quick was that? And so easy. Yeah, I'd really recommend getting one of these. This isn't sponsored, but I would definitely recommend getting one of these. It again is the Babyliss Pro. I'll try and link it in the description below if I can find it, but yeah, it is a lifesaver. Then I usually just kind of like shake it out a little bit, air it, get a little bit of volume so they're not like really tight curls. And yeah, that is how I do my hair. Simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if it is really short, I'm not sure. But yeah, I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you did. Make sure to share to your friends and subscribe. Trying to hit 300 subscribers. Yeah. And thank you so much for 25k on TikTok as well. When I woke up to that this morning, I was so happy. So yeah, thank you very much. See you later. Bye.